Uh, a very warm welcome to you once again in our 2024 previous year question. Now let us try to discuss the first question from our question number 4. Here are all the three questions that we are going to discuss one after the another. Let's understand what is the meaning of this particular question. How do religious communities contribute to the cultural diversity of India? It is very important to understand that this question is directly coming from paper 2, and this is there from the B part, the social structure of India. In that we are having the sixth section which speaks about religious communities in India, what are the problems of minorities, etc. Now this question of religious communities is directly coming and they are trying to link this to the cultural diversity. So what am I going to do? Here in the introduction part, first of all, I will be trying to speak what is the significance of this term religious communities. And if we look that Indian society, it is largely considered to be as a pluralistic society. So looking at our introduction, that India is considered to be as a diverse country and it is regarded to be as in a state of pluralism. It's a pluralistic society, and moreover, there are many different terms that you can use to define what an Indian society is. It is considered to be as a melting pot, a ball of silence, etc. You can use any such kind of terms in your introductory part and you say that why India is called to be as a land of diversity. One important role has been played by the religious communities in India. So India, it's a religious society. It defines its pluralism, its pluralistic nature. It has been referred to be as a melting pot, as a ball of salad, etc. Now, when we are going towards our main content, how it is contributing. If you take a look at these religious communities, they are largely responsible in the diversity of India, that how different festivals are being celebrated. If you look at Baisakhi, if you look at Diwali, Eid, Christmas, different festivals are there which shows the culture of India and how these festivals are being celebrated on the basis of religious contributions. If you take a look even in the case of languages, there are many specific languages and how they have able to build themselves. It is because of religious contribution. For example, how the Punjabi is largely associated to the Sikh communities, Sikh religious communities. On the basis of another Arabic as a language, it is associated in a similar factor. So languages, Punjabi, Arabic, that could be one factor. On the basis of food contributions as well, there are specific kind of Mughalai food, Jain vegetarianism food, etc., which is present. So one is on the basis of customs and culture. So here customs and different culture, that is also playing a significant role. Moreover, if we further go ahead, we can say that how the art, literature, etc. So specific Mughal art that was present, the medieval India, the ancient temple art was there. So art and architecture, that is also playing a prominent role. So we are trying to highlight these factors of religious festivals, languages, food, customs, art and architecture. It is contributing to the religious cultural diversity. And if we further go ahead, it's a 20 marker question. We also want to highlight that India is considered to be as a heterogeneous society, large forms of diversity. It is not just representing different forms of religious diversities, but beyond that, there is a diversity within the religion itself on the basis of caste. There is a diversity on the basis of religion that is called as subcaste. There are different kinds of sects which are being established, the cults which are being present, the diversity which is there on the basis of region, multiple different phenomena, they are also playing an important role. In the conclusion, you are going to say India is considered to be as a heterogeneous and a complex social system.